Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 habits that can help you become a millionaire. Now, let's be real. Becoming a millionaire isn't about some magic formula. It takes work, discipline, and smart choices. But the good news is, these are habits anyone can build. We're going to break down each habit, step by step, and show you how these seemingly small changes can lead to massive results in your financial life. Whether you're just starting out or already on your way, these habits are essential for building real wealth. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started on the road to becoming a millionaire.
The first habit of millionaires might seem obvious, but it's the foundation of everything: saving consistently. Millionaires prioritize saving. They pay themselves first. Think of it like this. You have a job, right? You work for your money. Millionaires work for themselves by consistently putting money aside into savings and investments. The easiest way to do this is to automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts every time you get paid. Millionaires set clear financial goals. They know exactly why they're saving, whether it's for a down payment on a house, early retirement, or financial freedom.
Saving is crucial, but it's only the first step. Millionaires make their money work for them by investing it wisely. Investing can seem intimidating. Start by educating yourself. Tons of resources are available online. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. These offer instant diversification. Remember, investing is a long game. Slow, steady growth over time.
Millionaires rarely rely on a single source of income. They understand the importance of diversifying their income streams to create financial security. Think about it. What happens if you lose your job or your primary source of income dries up? Having multiple income streams acts as a safety net. Now, this doesn't mean you need to juggle 5 different jobs. It's about finding creative ways to generate income from multiple sources. This could be starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, creating and selling online courses, or even earning royalties from creative work. The key is to leverage your skills, knowledge, and passions to create additional income streams. Not only does this provide financial security, but it also opens up new opportunities and allows you to pursue your interests.
Now let's talk about spending. Being a millionaire isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being smart with your money. Millionaires understand the importance of controlling their expenses and living below their means. This doesn't mean you need to live like a pauper. It's about being mindful of your spending habits and making conscious choices about where your money goes. Start by tracking your expenses for a month or 2. You'd be surprised how much money you waste on things you don't even need or use. Once you have a clear picture of your spending, look for areas where you can cut back. This could be eating out less, canceling unnecessary subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday expenses. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest and grow. By controlling your expenses, you're essentially giving yourself a raise without having to work more.
The final habit of millionaires is a commitment to lifelong learning. Millionaires are incredibly curious and always eager to expand their knowledge and skill sets. They understand that the more they learn, the better equipped they are to make informed decisions about their finances, careers, and lives. Make it a habit to read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and stay up to date on industry trends. This doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. Choose topics that genuinely interest you and make learning a part of your daily routine. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. So never stop learning, never stop growing, and never stop striving for improvement.
So there you have it, the top 5 habits that can help you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Remember, becoming a millionaire takes time, discipline, and often some luck. But by incorporating these habits into your life, you can increase your chances of achieving financial success. Start by implementing one habit at a time. Make small, sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run. And most importantly, be patient. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on achieving your financial goals.